All right, so break down your experience as a Paparazzi Independent Consultant.
Well, it started off as I was a customer actually, and so I viewed everything as a customer perspective.
Okay.
But then I loved jewelry so much that I was like, ooh, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna become an independent consultant.
Fancy.
I know.
All right.
It makes you think that you're
Okay.
running your own business and you could do whatever you'd like and all that. And so I realized, first, the number one thing I realized was you could only sell the jewelry for $5. And then you started noticing how you were supposed to make money was to sign people up under you, which was a bad idea because then I have all these other people that are selling too that sell the same thing for $5. What I learned also was that the Facebook, because that's where most of them do sell, is oversaturated, and so every time you turn around, everybody was selling paparazzi jewelry for $5, and I learned that you're not going to make any money that way. Let me introduce you to the TJB Sparkle Box. Now you're probably wondering, what's the TJB Sparkle Box? Well, it's your means to start your own jewelry business. So inside the TJB Sparkle Box, you're going to have 120 pieces of jewelry, jewelry cards, and jewelry hooks. For further details, simply go to thejewelrybox.live, and always remember, jewelry is the statement. Everything else is just an accessory.